Welcome to Polymed Limited, or Polymed, heartfelt, from Delhi. A leading global medical device company, we've crafted 150 advanced devices with passion. With 9 top-tier manufacturing units, we've expanded to 120 countries, including Europe, the US, and China. Our unique designs, patents, and dedication to R&D set us apart. We excel in areas like infusion therapy, dialysis, respiratory care, and more. With 25 years under our belt, Polymed continues to shape the future of healthcare.
Welcome to our informative video on the viral transport medium. The kit contains 3 ml of viral transport medium in a 10 ml standard tube. Paired with both a nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swab formulated from Hank's balanced salt solution, it contains protective proteins, antibiotics for microbial control, and buffers to maintain pH. With an added cryoprotectant, it ensures the viruses are preserved, even during prolonged freezing. The swab features a flexible plastic shaft for ease of use. Its soft strands ensure efficient specimen collection, maximizing viral yields. It even has a built-in breakpoint for easy handling. Tube dimensions: 16 mm by 100 mm. The medium volume: 3 ml. Next, the fever panel. This one-step immunochromatographic assay allows for rapid detection of malaria AG-PF pan, dengue NS1 antigen, and typhoid antibodies. Kit components include the test device, assay buffer bottle, sample applicator, and a pack insert. Now, focusing on a vital detection device, the HIV-1/2 antibody detection test. This in vitro diagnostic rapid test is pivotal for detecting antibodies to HIV-1 and HIV-2 in various specimens. A reactive result? Ensure it's confirmed by supplemental testing. The kit houses a test device, assay buffer bottle, sample applicator, and a pack insert. Shifting gears to another crucial detection, the HCV antibody detection test device. Single-use and rapid, this test is paramount for detecting antibodies against the hepatitis C virus, comprising of a test device, assay buffer bottle, sample, and a pack insert. It's a comprehensive solution. Steering to the HBV antigen detection test device. In vitro, qualitative, and efficient, this immunochromatographic assay detects the hepatitis B surface antigen virus. The kit encompasses a test device, assay buffer bottle, sample applicator, and a pack insert. Delving into the s.typhi IgG antibody detection test device. This immunochromatographic assay distinctly detects and differentiates antibodies against Salmonella typhi. Kit essentials include a test device, assay buffer bottle, sample applicator, and a pack insert. Sequence showcasing the dengue IgG, dengue NS1, and dengue combo test kits. From the IgG antibody detection test to the NS1 antigen detection, these kits provide qualitative results, ensuring early diagnosis. Each kit is furnished with a test device, assay buffer bottle, sample applicator, and a pack insert. The dengue NS1 and IgG combo test kit stands out as a testament to this. Offering a rapid solution for qualitative detection, this kit ensures early diagnosis and aids in distinguishing between primary and secondary dengue infections. Within the kit, you'll find a test device, assay buffer bottle, sample applicator, and an instructional pack insert. Our dengue NS1 antigen detection test stands as another pillar in rapid and qualitative detection. While it provides preliminary results, its utility in early dengue diagnosis cannot be overstated. Each kit is meticulously packed with a test device, assay buffer bottle, malaria AG-PF, HRP2PV, PLDH detection test. Navigate the intricate world of malaria diagnostics with our advanced detection test. Experience a visual, rapid, and sensitive solid-phase immunochromatographic assay tailor-made for the qualitative differential detection of these malaria-causing pathogens, designed exclusively for human whole blood samples. Each kit is armed with a test device, assay buffer bottle, sample loop, and a detailed pack insert. COVID-19 rapid antigen test. In the combat against COVID-19, arm yourself with the most timely tool, our in vitro Rapid lateral flow assay pinpoints the very antigens expressed by the virus in nasopharyngeal swab specimens. Results emerge in a mere 15-25 minutes, promoting high-volume testing, both in labs and on-site. The kit boasts a PCR reaction mixture, specific probes and primers, positive control, and more, ensuring 100% specificity without cross-reactivity. Viral RNA extraction kit. Magnetic beads. Perfect your RNA extraction process with our viral RNA extraction kit using magnetic beads. Designed for optimal RNA isolation, this kit ensures pure and compatible RNA for COVID-19 RT-PCR testing. From specialized buffers to magnetic beads, each component plays a pivotal role in. Contact us for more information.